Creators, let me ask you something. How many tabs do you open just to finish one project? One tool for research, another for writing, another for images, another for video, and maybe one more for slides. You know, every switch costs time, breaks focus, and turns a simple idea into a complicated workflow. This video is sponsored by HIX AI, and today I'm testing whether one platform can replace that constant tool hopping. HIX AI described itself as an all-in-one AI agent workspace for content creation and productivity. The main idea is simple. Instead of opening separate tools and managing every step yourself, you give one clear request. Then HIX AI helps break the job into small tasks, gather information, organize the content, and coordinate different agents to create useful outputs. And you know me, I'm not going to give you a basic feature tool. I'm going to test a complete creative workflow from one prompt. Are you guys excited? Let's get started. So for this particular test, I'll ask HIX AI to build a launch campaign for a fictional productivity app designed for freelancers, right? My prompt is this: research the biggest productivity problems freelancers face, create a campaign concept, write a short report, suggest social posts, propose visual ideas, outline a presentation, and plan a short promotional video. Now that is one request, but it contains several connected goals. Now watch what happens. First, the general agent identifies the major parts of the task, right? It needs research, messaging, writing content, visual slides, and video planning. So instead of making me repeat the same background in 5 different tools, it keeps the project inside one workspace, right? So the research section gives me an organized starting point. I can review the problems, the audience needs, and possible angles before moving forward, right? The writing section then turns those findings into a campaign direction with a clear promise, target audience, and supporting messages. Next, the platform creates ideas for social content rather than giving random captions, right? So it connects the posts to the same campaign concept, right? Now that consistency matters because strong campaigns should feel like one story, not a collection of disconnected outputs. The visual suggestions also follow the same direction. I can use them as inspiration for thumbnails, graphics, posters, or image generation. Then the presentation outline organizes the key information into a sequence that could be used for a pitch deck, internal review, or client presentation. And finally, the video plan gives me a structure for short-form content, including the opening idea, key message, visual moments, and call to action. The biggest advantage here is not that each individual output is impossible to create elsewhere. The advantage is that one request can drive a connected workflow without forcing me to rebuild the context every time. Now, let us take a closer look at the slides workflow, one of the platform's strongest features. I can take the campaign idea and ask HIX AI to turn it into a presentation. The slides tool offers 2 generation modes, professional and creative, so I can match the deck to the goal. It also supports advanced AI image models, including Nano Banana Pro and GPT Image 2.0 for creating and enhancing visuals instead of a blank deck. I get a structured, visual developed draft that I can review, edit, and customize. Awesome so far. Now, there is also a new templates feature. With one click, I can apply a preferred template and change the deck's overall look without rebuilding it from scratch. I like that. For creators like me, for freelancers, marketers, and even small teams, this can help with sponsorship proposals, client reports, content plans, even educational presentation, as well product pitches. The next workflow is AI chat. This is where I can continue refining the project, ask follow-up questions, compare ideas, rewrite sections, or test different angles. For example, I can ask for a more professional campaign tone, a short headline, or 3 alternative calls to action. Because the conversation stays connected to the project, I can improve the work without restarting from zero. So far, very good, awesome. Now, the third workflow is story to video, right? So here I can take a written concept and develop it into a visual sequence. Yes, for a creator like me, this is useful when an idea sounds good in text but still needs scene spacing and a clear narrative. I can use the campaign story as the foundation, then review the generated structure and decide what needs to be changed before publishing. The important point is that the video idea comes from the same research and messaging used in the rest of the project. Awesome, right? Now let me show you all the results. So at the end of this test, I have a research, I have a campaign concept, a written messaging, social ideas, visual direction, a presentation outline, and a video plan. Normally I might create these pieces across several websites, copy information between tabs, and repeatedly explain the same project. Here the workflow is more centralized. Now that makes the platform especially practical when deadlines are tight, projects are very complex, and consistency across every deliverable really matters. Of course, AI output still needs human review, so I would check facts, adjust the tone, improve creative choices, and make sure every final asset matches the audience. HIX AI can accelerate the process, but the creator still makes the important decisions. HIX AI offers a free option with 20 credits per month, which is useful for testing the platform. The Pro plan includes 1,500 credits for moderate use. The Max plan offers flexible credit options, and you also have a yearly discount starting at just $14.99 per month when billed annually. But because pricing and offers can change, do check the official pricing page, so the link in the description, before subscribing. Thanks for using my link. So, my main takeaway is that HIX AI is more than a simple chat box. Its strongest value is the ability to connect research, writing, visuals, slides, and video planning inside one agent-based workspace. If you regularly create content, prepare reports, pitch ideas, or manage several production steps, this approach could save time and reduce unnecessary switching. You can learn more and try HIX AI using the link at the top of the description. I will also place the same link in the pinned comment. You're welcome. Do let me know which workflow would you test first. Is it general agent, slides, AI chat, or story to video? Don't forget to like the video, as well as subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.